guys, I'm Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and I'm going to show you how to lock old man winter out. And I'm going to do that with Loctite Tite Foam, gaps and cracks. All right guys, let's lock winter out. Loctite Tite Foam can be used to seal gaps and cracks, as well as lock out drafts and seal moisture around windows and doors. Every winter, I always look around my home to see if there are any openings or gaps and cracks in an effort to winterize my home. And I found that Loctite Tite Foam gaps and cracks works perfectly. I look for any openings within my home and in my garage. First, let's start in my garage. And I'll admit, there are times where I can get a little overzealous with the spray foam, but cleaning up the excess spray foam is really easy. Once it's fully dry, I take an X-Acto knife and I score around the edges, and then I take a 5-in-1 scraper and scrape off the excess. Once you're done, it's very important to clean off the spray applicator. You can also use acetone to clean up any uncured foam. And wearing gloves is a great idea to keep the foam off your skin. Now let's head outside and fill some gaps and holes around the HVAC unit. And once this is dry, I'm going to come back out and I'm going to clean up the excess foam. Now with all the gaps and cracks sealed, winter is locked out.